Samsung's next big leap, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, isn't just another yearly refresh. It marks a calculated shift in how Samsung approaches its core smartphone experience. This time, the company is quietly steering away from its heavy reliance on Google, making room for alternative AI integrations and a more refined hardware design. One of the first visual changes comes from Ice Universe, a trusted insider who confirms that Samsung is scrapping the controversial camera ring design from the S25 Ultra. The decision follows internal feedback on early S26 engineering units, and the new direction reflects a return to the cleaner, flatter layout seen on the S24 Ultra. It's a design correction, not just a preference call, one that shows Samsung is listening to its user base and responding swiftly. Meanwhile, speculation about Samsung dropping the S Pen, completely false. Ice Universe clears this up, stating that Samsung has no plans to ditch the stylus on either the S26 Ultra or even the next generation S27 Ultra. The S Pen continues to be a defining feature of the Ultra lineup, and that's not changing anytime soon. On the performance front, Samsung is making a major move by bringing 16 gigabytes of RAM to the S26 Ultra as a global standard. Previously, this configuration was limited to select regions like South Korea and China on the S25 Ultra. But this time, it's going worldwide. The first time since the S21 Ultra that users across all markets will get full access to Samsung's top-tier memory specs. This shift isn't just for show. Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series is expected to bump RAM up to 12 gigabytes across the board, and Samsung clearly doesn't want to be outpaced on paper or in real-world use. Ice Universe also reveals a key battery upgrade. While the capacity stays at 5,000 milliamp hours, the battery itself has higher energy density, which makes it physically smaller. Samsung didn't use that extra space to increase capacity, but instead used it to slim down the phone's body. And perhaps more importantly, charging performance is expected to improve significantly. According to ICE, Samsung has adopted new technology that keeps battery temperatures lower during charging, which could finally lead to faster, more reliable charging speeds, something users have long been waiting for. AI is where Samsung's strategic direction becomes most apparent. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung leaned heavily on Google's Gemini for almost every AI task: photo editing, summaries, replies, and more, while its own assistant Bixby was almost non-existent. But according to Bloomberg, Samsung is now preparing to go big with Perplexity AI. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to ship with the Perplexity app pre-installed, and it could even replace Gemini as the default assistant. Samsung's browser is also expected to integrate Perplexity Search, finally offering users a break from Google's grip. And it doesn't stop there. Bixby is reportedly being upgraded using Perplexity's intelligence, turning what was once a sidelined assistant into something actually useful. This isn't about rejecting Google's tools. Gemini will still be available. But Samsung wants options, independence, and a product experience that isn't dictated entirely by another tech giant. In a world where every Android phone risks blending into the next, Samsung's move is about creating something different, smarter, leaner, and uniquely Galaxy. As for availability, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in January 2026 with a starting price of $1,299.